Imam Ali alayhi salam has tremendous unique characteristics which no other companion in history of Islam had. These make his position above to any other companion of Prophet. These characteristics are mentioned in books of both Shias and Sunnis, and anyone who want to see can find them. As Maula Ali says, there is enough light for those who want to see. In this video, we will mention some of the ones of Imam Ali alayhi salam. O Ali, you are the first one who believed in the Prophet and the only one who was with him in the cave of Hira. O Ali, you are the first and the only one who was born in Kaaba. O Ali, you are the only one among the companions whose name was chosen by Allah. O Ali, you are the first one who prayed with the Prophet. O Ali, you are the first one who prayed at the Prophet's sacred and clean body. O Ali, you are the only one among the companions who never associated others with Allah. O Ali, it is only you who put his foot on Prophet's shoulder in Kaaba and broke the idols. O Ali, you are the first deputy and executor of the will of the Prophet. O Ali, you are the first and the only one who collected verses of Quran according to the order of their descent and with all its characteristics under Prophet's supervision. O Ali, there was no one equivalent or peer to the Holy Zahra if you were not there. O Ali, it is only you whose sons were called the Prophet's sons in the Holy Quran. O Ali, it is only you that the Holy Prophet chose as his own brother. O Ali, you are the only one who never ran away from any battlefield, and no one ever challenged you undefeated. O Ali, you are the only one whose armor did not have any back protection. O Ali, you are the only one who attended all the holy wars together with Holy Prophet, except the Battle of Tabuk, that you had to stay to stop the hypocrite sedition, and the troops of Islam returned home safely without clashes. O Ali, it is only you who pull out Khyber's door, while many people could not even move that door collectively. O Ali, it is only you for whom Holy Prophet took allegiance, for your leadership from 1,20,000 people, and all of them saluted you as the commander of faithful. O Ali, you are the only one that the Holy Prophet's progeny were through him. O Ali, you are the only one whose love is on top of the believer's evaluation sheet, and about whom Prophet said, looking at Ali is a form of ibadah. O Ali, your mercy is unbelievable. You are the only one who made recommendations for his own killer. Give him good food and make his place nice and easy. He should eat what I eat, and he should drink what I drink.